Hello there. Wine is not an emulator. My very first video was about Wine and how to use it, and my very first short was how to use Wine to run FL Studio on Linux. So now it's time that I update that short just a little bit so I can give you some more context. This isn't a Wine install tutorial, by the way, although I'll touch on that briefly. All commands and links will be in the description below. We're gonna need two things, Wine and winetricks. Distros like Ubuntu, Pop! OS, and Manjaro have stores where you can simply click and download Wine and winetricks. This method, as well as the command line method of using your distro's package manager, will download an older version of Wine, because distros first have to verify and test packages before making them available. If you want to install the latest stable version of Wine via the command line, I'll leave a link below for the Wine website for Debian and Fedora based systems. Instructions for Arch based systems are in the description. It's simple, step by step, just copy and paste. Okay, so now you have Wine installed. You can type Wine version and winetricks version just to make sure. You should see something like this. The version you see might be lower than mine depending on the method you chose to install Wine. This is fine. Go to the ImageLine website and download the Windows version of FL Studio. Then navigate to the download folder and open it in the terminal. Type Wine and the name of the executable like this and hit enter. Follow the install instructions like you normally would on Windows, and when it's done, FL should appear just like any other Linux app. You'll notice that there are Windows directories during the install. That's because Wine creates a Windows environment for Windows apps. So when you install VSTs with Wine, simply find the Windows directory where the VSTs would be, and it should work exactly the same, and I'll show you that shortly. Alright, here we have FL Studio 2024 and a lot of errors. It says Flex can't open. Let's try and record through the mic. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more. Oh, latency. Ah, now that's a problem. Latency for recording through the mic is high, and I tried to fix it by installing wine-gecko, but it didn't solve the issue. This is the only issue so far that I haven't been able to solve, and the only workaround really is to use Audacity to record those lovely vocals. I know it's a deal breaker for a lot of people, but the rest of us who don't use vocals or actual instruments, it's fine. If anyone can actually find a proper fix for this, leave a comment below. Let's lay down a terrible song and see if things work as expected. Yes, now that's what I'm talking about.
Naughty, naughty, you teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
This VST is Heatwave. I did say I was going to show you how to install VSTs earlier. Allow me to demonstrate. This is Heatwave. Possibly the worst experience I've ever had downloading a piece of software, and the exact reason why people pirate things in the first place. It has a cloud license system with a bunch of sign-ins and extra installs just so it can talk to the cloud and make sure you didn't pirate their software. This kind of inconvenience is the exact reason people pirate software, even if they can afford the software. But that's beside the point. Open Heatwave with Wine. Go through the install as normal. Find it in FL Studio, and there you go. It works, just like Windows. To conclude, basically everything works just fine apart from recording because of the latency. I couldn't find any other major issues. Performance is fine, there aren't any crashes, no hitches, no stutters. I'll do anything but use a paid OS that will still show me ads in the start menu. And don't fool yourself, Windows users, Copilot Recall is only opt-in for now, and it's storing stuff locally is only happening for now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. I need to become a channel big enough so a company like this can send me one of these things so I can get some version of FL Studio working on a Raspberry Pi for the ultimate hackable Linux synth.